Hey, it's Gina at WTI, and if you're looking for a really comfortable pair of overalls, the material on this pair that I got from ReachMe is really nice and soft and pliable. It feels really good on my skin. These are baggy barrel overalls, and I got the size medium. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and these are very roomy on me. I definitely could have sized down. If you're going for an oversized look, then definitely go with the size that you would normally wear. Like I normally wear a size medium, so that's the size that I got. These fall about mid-ankle on me, and you can see that I have them cinched up so that the bib isn't falling off. I do like that they're roomy enough that when I want to take them off, I don't have to undo the buttons on the side. I like the detail on the barrel legs. You have the darts, so it gives it a little bit of shape, and then these nice insets on the side to really give you a ton of room. I like to wear these with a pair of combat boots, and they have worked so well, not just for going around town, but also for any of the chores that I do around our farm. These are bright blue. ReachMe has other colors to choose from too, so you're sure to find the one that is perfect for you. I have so much fun wearing these overalls. I think that you're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.